Hi, this is Katie. I'm going to show you how to do half stitches in StitchSketch today. Tongue twister. Okay, so there's 3 different methods that I've seen used to make these half stitches. So the first one I'm going to show you is the one that is intended to be used with that app. The pencil in the lower left hand corner, if you select that and you're going to choose the vector tools, that's that line. And then down on the right side, you see that there's a line, a box, a circle, some X's. Depending what side you want to put your half stitches on would be which one of these 4 you are picking. I'm going to pick the first one, and then I just tap in the box that I want it to appear in. So the vector tools are what StitchSketch designers have chosen to show half stitches. So that's one way to do it. Another way to show a half stitch, this one is more my favorite because I find it a little bit easier to work with. If you know you're going to do half stitches all the way through those, you can use this line arrow, or the line, not arrow, just the line, and select that. I push the check mark in the upper right hand corner that confirms that line. Sometimes I do it and it does, when I go to print my pattern or show it, the lines will have disappeared, so that check mark kind of helps like secure it. Then I choose that little X in the corner and zoom in, and then I just tap in the corner of each of those boxes, and that fills that in nicely. Some people do prefer the stitches to be all colored in, so drawing out your stairs, it would be the vector tool again, just that line, and same thing, line up, but then you actually color in all of these lines, and you push check and then go from the corner to each one and color it in. It is a little bit more putsy, but sometimes that helps if you're dealing with somebody that needs to approve the pattern and they're not going to know what your marks are for sewing, or if you're selling your patterns. Sometimes this is a good way to show that, or you need to have clearly in your instructions what a half stitch is going to look like. I'm just coloring these in, and then pushing that check mark, the green one, to approve it. I also, depending on my pattern, will draw a line all the way around it if I want it to be a more finished look. All right, so I hope that helps you in your half stitch endeavors with StitchSketch. Thank you.